Magandang umaga, this is Brian of Sun Life. I'm a licensed financial advisor. And in this video, I'm gonna share the recommended VUL policy that ordinary Filipinos can afford. Marami pong Filipinos interested magka-VUL pero siguro challenge pa po na maintindihan kung ano talaga yung benefits niya. Ako rin po, nahirapan din ako nung una, nung kumuha ako as an ordinary citizen, nung hindi pa ako advisor. At pag sinabi nating ordinary, meaning mga in general, yung Filipinos who are working, who have responsibilities, but at the same time who wanted to protect themselves. At sa ulitin po, yung VUL ay isa po siyang product or insurance product, financial product na nag-o-offer ng financial protection sakaling may mga challenges na dumating sa buhay katulad ng critical illness, disability, hospitalization, and even death at sa pamilya po. At ito po ang recommended policy na karaniwang binibigay ko. It is only 1,750 per month up to 1,950 depending po yan sa age, sa location ng work, tsaka sa activities. So ano po ba yung inclusions nito? 2,500 a day sa hospital at ito po ay pwedeng maging 5,000 kung ICU or dreaded disease. Up to 500,000 po sa loss of body parts. Up to po meaning some percentage lang po if depending po kung ano yung nawala na part ng katawan. At then we also have 1.5 to 4.2 million na retirement fund. Depende po yun sa performance ng investment tsaka sa consistency po ng hulog at the same time kung anong age po tayo nag-start. At hindi ko po nalagay rito yung 1 million na critical illness na kung sakali dadapuan ba tayo or ma-diagnose po tayo ng one of the 36 critical illnesses katulad ng cancer or stroke, makuha po natin yung 1 million para to assist our healing. And then 500,000 at the start. Day 1 pa lang po, pag sign up pa lang po at hindi ba natin hiningi na wala tayo sa picture, nakuha tayo ng Panginoon, death has come, only one life, so soon it will pass. Hebrews 9:7 says, death is appointed to all men. So 500,000 po, minimum talaga, ito yung initial na makukuha talaga ng beneficiaries. So ito po yung hindi talaga mabibigay ng savings or ng mga deposit or kahit anong investment like mutual funds or stock market. Hindi po nila mabibigay ito sa family natin once death comes unexpectedly. And then it grows through time together with the fund value. So yan po, up to 4 million or even higher. So ito pong summary ng benefits sa proposal and depende po talaga sa age, no? Kung ano yung edad, what's your age when you sign up for the insurance. Okay, ito po yung summary na ilalagay ko. Makita rin po natin to sa, depende po sa inyong age. So, meron pa akong chart na ginawa. Ito po is 25 years old for male and then dito naman po is female. So, nilagay ko lang po yung range. So, ito po 20,025 per year sa male, 22,070 per year sa female. Minimum po ito meaning you can contribute higher than this. So, i-divide nyo lang po ito sa 12, yan po yung monthly ninyo. And then, you can also adjust the benefit amounts. Papakita ko rin po, saglit lang, yung itsura po ng mga proposal. So, ito po yung proposal natin. Yan. So, I made 25-year-old male and female up to 35 male and female. So, feel free to comment your age, your name, and your email down below sa comments and then I will send you the sample proposal and kung magkano po talaga yung exact amount na pwede nyo ibayad. You can also message me sa website. You can just search Brian Villarosa or go to brianvillarosa.com. Or you can also go to my Facebook page. Just search po Bacolod Real Estate and Insurance. Ito po yung, or you can go to that URL, invest.wisely.pinoy. Yan po. Ito po yung website. You can go to the contact page or you can go under Sun Life Insurance, quote for a proposal. Or you can go to my Facebook page po na ito po, Bacolod Real Estate and Insurance. Hindi lang po Bacolod yung senior service ko, all over the country po. Kahit wherever you are, I have partners din po na makakatulong po sa inyo to give you a proposal. Maraming po salamat. Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat po.